Hey paper crafting friends, thanks for tuning in today. I wanted to just give you a quick look at the calendar that I have created. That'll be my calendar for 2025. All of these pages were created using Kiwi Club kits. So the best thing about the Kiwi Club kits is they have really amazing coordinating papers. You can't go wrong. Whether you are a master at coordinating things and putting them together or not, the way that the papers all play together so nicely makes it easy peasy. So here we go. So this one is my layout for January. And I always do, it really ends up being kind of a single page layout, right? To be the top of the calendar. And then just a little bit of coordination here that gets into the month and just a little decor that kind of ties it into the rest of the page. Here's for February. This one was really fun. I liked this barn and silo that came with this particular kit. And the paper was so cute that went along with it. This one's for March. It's a little bit more of a family themed kit. A lot of florals, great little dragonfly and some new flowers. And then this really fun little background piece to pop out. Okay. My month stamps came from Close to My Heart. I do like having the stamps for that because I can coordinate the colors to go along with whatever else I've designed. This is my April page. This one too came with another flower set and then this really fun scalloped kind of frame and then this arched template that's fantastic for doing like little titles. There's always really fun sentiment cards in the kits. Like this one, Take Joy in the Little Things. This is the May page. Sorry, I've already got some things clipped on here for appointments for next year. So, Happy All About You Day. This happy template came in this kit. This really fun kind of gear. All right, so that's May. June. This was actually June of 2023's kit. I started creating calendars back when the very first kits came out in June of 2018. And so I always start my calendar creation in June. And then by the time we get to the following May, I've got my calendar ready for the following year. So this one was really ice cream themed. I love it. Life is like an ice cream. Enjoy it before it melts. And then Sweet Memories. We actually go to ice cream often enough that I will have some fun photos to add to this one. These calendars are fun because they're up for a whole month. I really enjoy getting to see the pictures. I don't always see them, you know, I don't look in my books that often. So this has been a really fun way to get to see more. See my pages for a little bit longer. So this one was July. So this one again was the 2023 kit. These really fun scallop triangles were in there. And it came with some cute, like little ephemera pieces. So that's that one. August. This placemat came in this kit, which has been just a fun one to play with. I love that I can either tuck the photos behind or I could put them on top. In this case, I did go ahead and cut out the spaces so I can tuck them behind. This really fun little backpack came in this kit as well. This backpack down here. So that's my August. Here's September. So lots of fun detail work on this page. I used a lot of little stickles and enamel dots and things but I think this will be a fun September page. Another little cluster down here for the actual calendar part. October. This kit was very sunshiny to me for October, but I do like to use them for the month that they come out. So I went ahead and ran with it. So it's a wonderful day, smile. You make me burst with happiness. So now I just have to hope for some really beautiful days in October to get some fun pictures for this page. November. This one was cool. It really, it came with this great kind of cutting board. I enjoyed getting to play with that as backgrounds. It can also be good for photos straight on it. And then it had these little mixing bowl templates. And this rolling pin that's down here. Life is what you bake of it. So this one will be great for some Thanksgiving pictures. And then last but not least, December. So there's my December page. Really fun tree with a stencil. I just did some doodling with a pen and then went over it with glossy accents to give that some extra little detail and shine, but lots of things you could do with that. Fun little gift box that I was able to use to cut apart some sentiments and create that. And then here's the lower part with the stamp. So lots of fun over the last year creating this. I actually am going through now and trying to use up all my scraps, creating layouts and things like that. Again, this paper is so easy to play with. Don't save it. You know, if you're a Kiwi Club member, use it. There's more good stuff coming. I'm a firm believer in using up these kits when you have the opportunity. So I hope you enjoyed getting a look through my Kiwi Club calendar. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave me a comment. If you enjoy the videos that you've been seeing on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you again next time. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.